Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into a crucial component for those of you still rocking the classic iMac 27-inch, late 2009 to mid-2011, the power supply. Specifically, we're looking at the Ycheda A1312 power supply board replacement. If your iMac is showing signs of power failure, not turning on, or experiencing random shutdowns, the power supply is a prime suspect. This particular model is designed as a direct replacement for the original 310W power supplies in the A1312 iMacs, covering models like the iMac 10-1, late 2009, iMac 11-1, late 2009, iMac 11-3, mid-2010, and iMac 12-2, mid-2011. It's compatible with APN numbers 661, 5310, 661, 5468, and 661, 5972, and replaces printed part number 614, 0446, 614, 0476, 614, 0501, ADP, 310AFB, and PA 2311-02A. The Ycheda power supply boasts A+ quality, which is always reassuring when dealing with replacement parts. The manufacturer states that each unit is carefully tested before shipping, a step that can save you a lot of headaches down the line. One of the most appealing aspects is the 12-month after-service warranty. This provides a significant safety net, allowing you to return the unit for a replacement or a full refund within a year if any issues arise. This kind of warranty demonstrates confidence in the product's reliability. The power supply itself is rated at 310 watts, matching the original specifications for the iMac 27-inch A1312. It features a custom form factor design specifically for these iMac models, ensuring a proper fit and easy installation. The cooling method is air-based, similar to the original design, and it's a non-modular power supply, meaning all the cables are directly attached. When considering a replacement power supply, compatibility is key. The Ycheda unit covers a wide range of iMac 27-inch models from the late 2000s and early 2010s, making it a versatile option. The provided APN and printed part numbers are extremely helpful in confirming whether this power supply is the correct fit for your specific iMac. While installation isn't necessarily difficult, it does require some technical know-how and careful handling of internal components. If you're not comfortable working inside your iMac, it's always best to seek professional assistance. Remember to disconnect the power cord and discharge any static electricity before beginning the replacement process. Overall, the Ycheda A1312 power supply board replacement appears to be a solid option for reviving your aging iMac 27-inch. The combination of A+ quality, thorough testing, a comprehensive warranty, and broad compatibility makes it a worthwhile consideration if you're facing power issues with your machine. Just be sure to double-check the compatibility with your specific iMac model before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.